How to disable ligatures in Ghostty-2025. Follow these instructions. First, open Ghostty and make sure it works, because you will be changing a small setting in its file to make fonts look more simple. Find the Ghostty folder in your computer. It's usually in your home folder inside config, Ghostty, and has a file named Ghostty.toml. Open the Ghostty.toml file using any text editor like Notepad, TextEdit, Nano, or anything you like to edit normal text files. In that file, scroll down and find a line that says enable_ligatures equals true, which means the fonts are showing joined characters. Change true to false like this. Enable_ligatures equals false, so the terminal will stop showing special, linked font characters. Save the file and close it. Now close Ghostty if it's open, and then open it again so your new font setting can start working. Thank you for watching.